want me in the video? Go on, he'll put you in the video.
Okay, this is after Christmas, 2012, January 17th, actually 18th now, and it's snowing pretty good. Walk down. There's not as much as you would find, but hey, it's snow. This is nothing for me, because I was born in Denver, Colorado, so it's not really snow. But it is snow. This is, who knows if this will be as good as 2008. I have no idea. Might get pretty close. We're gonna go out on the front of the front drive and look at the cars real quick. Chevy and decently covered very quiet out here. I don't even have a jacket on, so it doesn't really matter. It's just not that bad for me. But yeah, 2012 snow, not bad. You know, they predict 4 inches for morning. It's about 1 in the morning right now. I think 2. Not sure. Okay, that's it. We're out.